X-Maxx. Right here, we're holding your controller, which is the radio. Just gonna pop this out. This is the radio. Regular TQ radio from Traxxas. You got menu button, set button. This right here, that button is Traxxas Stability Management or TSM. What that does is keep the vehicle tracking straight on the high speed. And this right here is a trim to balance the wheel, keep it straight. This switch right here would lock the throttle position from 50-50 to 70-30. There you go, back and forth. Very simple radio. Off and on, battery underneath here. Alright, we got the RC going crazy around us. There you go, guys. This is the XMaxx. Right here, we got some accessories. We got Allen keys. We got a gear, a spur gear here. We got some stickers. We got the manual. Alright, let's get down to the bad boy. One time, same time. Whoa. Let's get that up. Look at that guy. Whoa, look at that, guys. Put this one on the ground. XMaxx. This is the XMaxx, guys. Nice and beefy. Really, really beefy tires. We're gonna bun this up for you today. We're gonna show it work. We're gonna give a really good run. The shocks are really beefy. Nice spring. Traxxas, you don't know. Bring in the XMaxx. Yeah, so we're gonna do some jumps and run it across some puddle of waters and see what's going down. Right. Show you underneath. Nice. Very simple. Underneath here. The battery compartments are here. Right here is the battery compartments. Pop this like so. Battery goes in here. This other one here, we're gonna pop this like so. Batteries come here. One battery on each side. And this is it. What can I tell you? The shocks is really, really nice and beefy. Very simple but durable. Heavy piece of machine. Everything here is plastic. It's a lot of plastic, but the dry shaft here, the steering arms here look like metal. We got some metal going on in here. And the both arms inside here. Shocks is metal spring, but most of it is and get busy. We got two 6700 batteries here. We're gonna pop one on each side. Remember, it's just like this, just like so. There we go, that's one. And we're gonna slide them back in here. Just like that. It's pretty tight, guys. Ah, there you go. Nice. Put the other one in. Alright, there we go. Slide this in here. Just like that. We're going to put in the battery in the controller. So you take 4 batteries. So you're going to pop them in here and get this RC on the road. It's a nice cool day today. Cloudy. We expect the rain to come, but let's see if we can bring you a really good show before all that happens. We got some RC going crazy around us. Alright, so we turn on the controller right here, and now we're going to press the power on the XMaxx. There's a power button somewhere around here, right here, right there. Okay, we get a green light. XMaxx is on. Beautiful. Whoa. It's ready. So let's get back to the XMaxx. Let's put this on the ground. see what it can do. Yeah. Shot. And as a result of the first run, we pop this up. All right, let's finish it up. We'll put on some paddle tires and have this going crazy. I think that tool would be in that bag because you gotta have a big wrench here to take that off. I hope we can take that off so we can give you guys some more footages of this bad boy. Alright, so let's get this wheel spawner out. So there we go. This wheel spawner so we can remove the tires. And nice and easy so I don't lose anything. Yeah, well, this is the first run. I will pop the tire already. One of the back tires is popped. Too much power. Went in the back. But that's the beauty of it. We're having fun. It's very powerful. I love it. Trust me, I love it, guys. I had this XMaxx a couple months ago, just sitting there. And now it's time to show you guys what's going down. Alright, let's take this off. How it goes. There we go. So right off the box, we'll pop the battery in and take it on the first run. Trust me, the truck is beautiful. I love it. Never have so much power before. So we got some puddle tires here that we're gonna pop in. Let me give you the serial number, 773 serial number. They cost $74.95. Let's pop it open and get this puddle tires in there for you guys. Oh. There we go, guys. These are the old tires, these are the new ones. Yeah, I can tear that up when you play with it. And I'm thinking I'm gonna try to do something with this. I don't know what, but anyway, let's move into the puddle tires. Gotta weigh that, gotta go, so this one gotta go on the other side. This one comes here. Alright, we're looking good already. Simple like that. Just pop it back in and we're ready to roll. So one thing I learned when the truck flip over, don't put all the power in the wheels because we can pop the wheels. Okay, now we are tight. Let's make sure this is very tight. Good. Flip it on the other side. Take this one out. It's a pretty simple process. There we go. There's your new tire. There it is. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We're going to leave two of the original tires up front, and we're going to leave these two at the back here, just in case we pop any more. We're going to just do 2x2 and see how it goes. Alright, ready to pop this back up. Put on the power. Can you get that power here? It's got this power button right here. There we go. Gotta flip this up.
Stella,